challenge is about division. So very first, let's read the task. The provided code stub reads two integers a and b from standard input. Add logic to print two lines. The first line should contain the result of integer division a should divisible by b. The second line should contain the result of the float division. Okay. So first would be the integer division and second would be the float division, and no rounding for or formatting is necessary. So simply they have given that if the input, let's see, if the input is 4 and 5, the sample output would be 1 and 1.3. So the first line contains the first integer a, the second line contains the second integer b. Now simply we have to print it. Why? Because first would be the integer division and the second would be the float division. Okay, so no problem. Let's come to the challenge. So if name is this, what I want division, right? So division is, okay, sorry, this is my that's what I was checking. Okay, so let's run it. Yes, it got passed, and then submit the code. Okay, congratulations. Our code has passed. So this is how that's good looking. We have earned our first star. Continue, and when you will complete certain challenges, you get a star as well in HackerRank. So here you have this 1 star right now.